How you doing, everybody? Matt here with American Campfire Creations, and we're here at our Harvest Host stay in Harrisonburg, Virginia, at Brothers Craft Brewing. As you can see, this is the space right here where they allow you to park your RV. We got our rig in here just fine. It's right next to this kind of abandoned warehouse area. The brewery is actually over here around the corner. It's a beautiful place, and I'm going to do a little bit of recording over there just because there's nobody in there right now. Let you know which beers I actually like. But yeah, you can see they got space for two RVs right here. It's pretty easy to get into. As you can see, they got this nice pull in right off of East Harrisonburg Street is what they actually recommend on the Harvest Host site. So you just come right down here, pull in, you got all this space to move around. So yeah, we're just here for the one night, and that's typical of Harvest Host stays, 24 hours. So we'll go ahead and just leave everything hooked up. I'm not even going to put the jacks down or anything. We're going to go in, do some beer tasting, then I'll come back to the trailer, make some dinner. But yeah, so far we really like this place. Really cool, funky little place here in Virginia, like I said. And we're heading out to 1,000 Trails site next. But yeah, AT&T is really good here. Plenty of space for parking, as you can see right here behind me. I'll let you know how the beers are here in a minute. And yeah, so far so good. So we're here inside the brewery, and like I said before earlier in the video, it's awesome in here. Go ahead and give you guys a pan around. So we're here inside this little nook of the brewery itself. I have this beautiful flight here. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. They give you a little piece of paper with all the labels on there, and they are dog friendly as well. So we got our dogs in here. But yeah, if you take a look at this place, nice open area, brewery back here. They have outdoor seating. They have live music, actually. Come here. But yeah, pretty awesome little place. But yeah, like I said, this is a great spot, free camping on the Harvest Host app. And I will put a link in the description below on being able to join there if you're interested. And this is the Brothers Craft Brewing in Harrisonburg, Virginia. I'm gonna go ahead and try these beers out, and I'll also put that in the description below of which one I like the most. And yeah, see all of you at the next campsite or around the next campfire. Have a good night, everybody.